So this part of the stand has only received just a very light harvest in the past, and in fact is overdense. One of the problems we have is in this part we have a lot more grand fir and Douglas fir.
An overabundance of grand fir and Douglas fir makes the stand more vulnerable to some of our insect problems we have in Northeast Oregon. So we want to try to adjust the species composition in these stands to more of a pine larch. So maybe 60–70% pine larch and maybe 30% the grand fir Douglas fir.
But one of the problems we have here is the growing space, which we talked earlier about, is being taken up by all the fir that you see in the understory. So when we come in here the next time for a harvest entry, we're going to target most of this fir to be removed so that we can create growing space for pine and larch to regenerate and grow so it makes it to the overstory. We have 4 primary species here: grand fir, Douglas fir, western larch, and ponderosa pine. Grand fir and Douglas fir are what we call shade tolerant. That is, they can grow in the shade. They can regenerate, come up, and make their way up through the canopy. However, western larch and ponderosa pine are more sun-loving. They actually have to be in the sun in order for them to regenerate from seed and grow and make it to the overstory. So this particular ponderosa pine here is out in an opening and it's positioned well to grow and make it into the overstory. And that's why in this case study we are trying to create openings to favor western larch and ponderosa pine whenever we can.